Frugal friends, is it possible to regrow plants, vegetables, produce that you find in the dumpsters? Say you find something and it's just a little too far gone. A head of lettuce, a stalk of celery, things like that, some apples that are just barely too much, even for applesauce. Is there something you can still do with those things that you have salvaged, besides just throwing them onto the compost heap, which is a great idea, of course, and feeding the animals, etc.? Well, I looked up a few videos and some tutorials, and we've been giving them a try. Some have just barely started, others been going for a while, so I'm going to bring you along and show you what we're doing to try to get a little more life and a little more food out of those bits of produce that we have found that are just a little too far gone to just eat. So right here, I've got a piece of the red potato. There were two, but the other one ended up all gross and slimy and very stinky. Word to the wise, potatoes are stinky if you're trying to sprout them. But I almost threw this one out too, except I noticed something. See those little white bits? Yes, that is the beginnings of some roots. So we're holding on to this one. I gave it fresh water, and I think that is one of my problems with why it ended up so stinky. I was not changing the water out every day. So changing that up, we're using that word a lot. Times are changing right now. It is a time of continuous change. How many more times can I say that word? So I am going to change the water out every day on that. Now on these ones, I've already been doing a good job of changing the water out. I just changed that one out this morning, but this is only the second day for the lettuce that we just found this weekend. And I will show you tomorrow. I should have recorded it, but it turned the water green. It was so pretty. So I will record it when it does that tomorrow, and we'll update you on that. And then this pineapple, I need to change the water out. I haven't noticed any change or growth there yet. I don't know if this one was too far gone. We shall see. From what I saw in the tutorials I watched, it's a pretty slow process, but I'm going to change the water out on him and we'll just keep going. I've got them in a sunny spot. So wish us luck, cross your fingers. Hopefully it will happen. Then we've got an orange that is a little too far gone. So what I'm going to do is cut it open along with a lemon, and we're going to take out some seeds and see if we can't sprout some trees. That's a very slow, long process. It takes weeks and months, but we're going to try it and see if we can grow us a little orange and a little lemon tree. I'm working on designs for building a small greenhouse that would be an all-year structure so that we would be able to grow a little orange and lemon tree here in Utah. Here is one of the lemons. So we're going to cut these open and we're going to pull out some seeds, and then we will get them wrapped up in some paper towels, nice and soaked, but not like, well, okay, they'll be damp, and then put them in plastic bags. And then the guy said to put them under the kitchen sink. And it'll take a few weeks, but they should start sprouting. Lemon and orange trees in central Utah. Who would have thunk?